I'm going to try and find. To be able to speak, I don't know how Martin you did it. Just listen to you. I don't know how you said what you said, but just even listening to you and just thinking of what the dogs went through was extremely emotional for me. And I honestly didn't know about this when it happened, and I think it was because of Lavanya. You know, she brought it up with me, and I was in shock, and I couldn't believe that this was Bangalore, you know, coexisted, and we've always been people who are extremely compassionate, empathetic, not just with dogs, with all animals, and, you know, we've always fought for, you know, trees and lakes, and when I got to know about it, I mean, in whatever capacity I can help, I've been helping, and I saw the video, in fact,